Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. I've got an unboxing for you today and it is a bath box subscription. This was sent to me for free to review from the company and it is Zenbox. They contacted me and asked if I would like to try a box and I said yes please. I do have a look at things. I get offered a lot of things for free and I turn down like 90% of the stuff that I get offered, but I always go and have a look, see what I think, and if I like the look of it I will give it a go. And this looks really nice. As I said, it's a bath bomb box. You get five high quality bath products delivered to your door: bath bombs, salt, body scrubs, oils, candles and many other relaxing resources at your fingertips. And they plant a tree with every subscription, which is really nice. They've partnered up with Ecology to help support Mother Earth and remove CO2 from the air. 100% handmade, cruelty-free, vegan-friendly, natural ingredients wherever possible. The boxes cost, I'm gonna look, I've got it just here. 1 month is $19.99. Cancel anytime, no contract, no fees. If for any reason you're not 100% happy with your box, we will work with you to make it right. Pause or skip your subscription at any time. Yeah, so we're gonna get into it. I do have a discount code which I'll put on the screen. I can't remember what it is right now, but I'll put it on the screen for you guys. And we are gonna jump in. It comes like this. It came today. Oh, it smells like sweets. Oh, it smells well nice. So this is the box. Thumbnail. I'm rubbish at doing thumbnails. I never remember to do them. So let's get in. So it's cardboard. Ooh, satisfying. Satisfying. Ooh. So it smells so good. It's a really big box, bigger than I was expecting it to be honest, for a bath box. So it says the Zen journey begins here, your monthly source of serenity. And this is for you guys. You can win your next month free. Take a picture of your Zen box, all the products inside, post it on Instagram and tag the Zen Effect, and we will select a winner every month. And then it says inside your box. So I'm going to open it and see, and then we'll read off what's in it. So oh my goodness, it looks like a jelly baby. I know it is. It's very exciting. Oh my god, these are so cute. Give my camera a second to focus on that. Look at all those bits in there. Oh, it's got an elephant. So there's a little card that says, congratulations, you planted a tree with your box. Together we can make a difference. That is so nice. So I don't know what to grab first. First thing I'm going to grab is this bath bomb, which has got an elephant, an actual elephant in the top. Look at that. How freaking cute is he? I love him. So this is Pink Elephant and Lemonade Bath Blaster. She provides an unforgettable bathing experience with your little toy companion. Watch as she parades around your tub, releasing Litsi Cubida and Mandarin essential oils known for uplifting properties. So is that a little, is it a toy? Oh my god, it's a toy. I thought it was like a soap. It's a squishy toy. Ah, I love it. Oh my god, that is so cute. Love that. Okay, I've just seen a cat as well. There's a cat one the same. Look at him. Oh my goodness, I've never seen bath bombs with little toys in the top. They are hilarious. So that one is a Meow for Now Bath Blaster. Leave your senses purring mandarin and blood orange infused waters with lashings of cocoa butter, shea butter and sweet orange and mandarin essential oils. Oh my god, I could lick that. That smells amazing. Oh my goodness. That smells so good. Let me actually smell this one. That one is more subtle. The orange one is like kick you in the face kind of strong. There's a duck one as well. Ooh, look, this one's glittery. Look at him. So this is a Hello Ducky Bath Mallow. Lay back and play Hello Ducky as it foams and melts into your bath, releasing cocoa and shea butters along with clary sage and sandalwood. Ooh, That again, that's more subtle. That's really nice though. I love the glitter on it. And the little duck, it's just so cute. It's so cute. The kids are gonna love them. Okay, I'm leaving the thing I saw when I first got into the box. I'm leaving that for last because I don't know what it is. So this next one is a candle, a Starlight Diva, and that is a big candle. Aww. Oh, what are you? Look, it's got little hearts in the top. That's a big candle. So this is Make a Wish, close your eyes and breathe in the heavenly aroma made with sandalwood and vetiver pure essential oils. Approximate burn time 30 to 35 hours, so you can use this many more times. I can't place that smell. I've literally never ever smelled that before in my life. It's nice, I've just never smelled it before. I don't know, I don't know if it is the sandalwood, but it's really, really nice. I like that. I just can't place the smell. Maybe when it burns I'll be able to do it. Oh my god, this last thing is a mini me soap. Let the jojoba and grapefruit pure essential oils uplift your state of mind and fight your inner Dr. Evil. Oh my god, this is hilarious. He's got little packaging bits stuck to him, but oh my goodness, look, it is a Jelly Baby soap. It's like an actual Jelly Baby, but he's a soap. Oh, he smells nice as well. Everything smells good. Look at him. So cute. The girls, I'm gonna let the girls use him in the bath tomorrow. They'll think he's amazing. An actual Jelly Baby. I think my favourite smell is this one. Oh, it's so nice. I'm a sucker for like orange smells. I just absolutely love them. These are just so cute. So cute. That is such a nice box. I love that. Yeah, that's really, really pretty. I will, as I use things, I will film and I'll put them on my Instagram. I'm not gonna use all of these in the next day, and I'm gonna edit this video and get it up. So I will film these and put them on my Instagram stories as they go in the bath, so we can see what they're like as they get used. But yeah, I think that's a lovely box. And I like you can win your next box. So I don't know how many people they have for their subscriptions, but you could potentially win a box if you buy one and then take a picture of it. You could get another one free, so that's always nice. I will leave the discount code for you guys and the website and their Instagram, everything down below. If you like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Currently running a couple of giveaways, which I will link here, wherever. I'll link them all everywhere. One of them ends on the 31st, so I'll leave a link for that one, and then the other one ends on the 5th of August. But yeah, thank you so much to Zenbox for sending me this. I absolutely love it. I cannot wait to use that orange one. I might go and have a bath now actually and use that, just because I love the smell and I want a soak. So yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.